Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Android settings to target Gboard quickly. First, open Settings, then go to System or General Management depending on your phone. Once there, tap Languages and Input and choose Virtual Keyboard, then Gboard. This gets you directly to Gboard's language list so you can edit what's active. Make sure you're on the Languages screen. It shows every enabled layout and the multilingual typing toggle. Once done, you'll be ready to remove or adjust individual languages. Now focus on the multilingual controls. Tap a language entry to open its layout and options, then locate the multilingual typing toggle. Turn that off to stop automatic language blending or remove extraneous languages by tapping the trash or edit then delete. This prevents unwanted autocorrections. Make sure you leave your preferred primary language enabled so predictions still work. Once you remove extras, Gboard will only suggest from remaining languages, reducing mismatches and accidental swaps while you type. Finish by testing typing in messages and search fields to confirm multilingual typing is disabled. If old mix suggestions persist, go to Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Gboard and clear cache. This forces a refresh. If something breaks, re-enable one language at a time and test, which isolates the issue. If keys or input methods disappear, reinstall Gboard or switch temporarily to another keyboard, then return. Remember, small changes in testing save time over guessing what went wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.